Move 2 acorns from 5 to 8. 10 and 3 make 13.
Dark clouds are gathering over Oak Hollow, bringing the threat of heavy rain. Hazel has multiple stashes of acorns scattered across the root system. Every single group needs to be secured inside her tree hollow before the storm hits. She has a lot of ground to cover and very little time before the first heavy drops begin to fall. Counting each acorn 1, 2, 3 takes time she simply doesn't have. To survive, she needs to use mental math strategies. Processing and calculating quantities up to 20 without starting from 0 every time is a necessary tool to beat the storm. Hazel stops at her first stash, 2 perfectly equal groups of 6 acorns. Some sums should become facts you know from memory, allowing you to skip the counting process entirely. This flat root face displays our first anchor fact. 6 plus 6 is 12. Knowing this double gives a quick answer and acts as a baseline to help solve other, less familiar combinations nearby. At the next root, she finds 2 shallow hollows. One contains 8 acorns, and the other contains 5. For 8 plus 5, move 2 from the group of 5 into the group of 8 to complete a full group of 10. 3 remain. By finishing the group of 10 first, the math is simplified. This level stone shows the result. 8 plus 5 becomes 10 plus 3, which is 13. Physically shifting objects into friendly numbers like 10 removes the cognitive burden of abstract counting. Moving further down the root system, Hazel reaches her third stash, containing one group of 6 acorns and a slightly larger group of 7. Here she can use a known double. Recall that established baseline fact: 6 plus 6 equals 12. 7 is exactly 1 more than 6, so we simply add 1 more to that baseline. These stable root marks trace the logic. 12 plus 1 is 13. Further along, 14 acorns sit in a shallow root hollow. Hazel knows she only needs to take 6 away to bring to her nest. To calculate 14 minus 6, first subtract 4 to reach a friendly 10. 2 of the 6 still need to be removed from that 10. The wet sand displays the final step. 10 minus 2 is 8. Subtracting through 10 is highly efficient because it breaks a difficult mental leap into 2 manageable, anchored steps. Hazel successfully reaches the dry hollow with her final count right as the first drops of rain begin to fall. Known facts, making 10, doubles, and subtracting through 10 are reliable mental strategies for adding and subtracting within 20. By the end of grade 2, these mental strategies allow students to know all sums of 2 one-digit numbers entirely from memory. True math fluency means no longer relying on slow physical counting. It means using logic to process quantities instantly. Mastering these shortcuts turns mathematical calculation from a time-consuming chore into a rapid, confident instinct.
Subtract 4 to reach 10, then subtract the remaining 2.